In this video, I'm going to show you how to fly in Dandy's world inside Roblox. So, first I have to warn you, it's a bit difficult to get there. However, if you are willing to try, it's definitely doable and you will be able to essentially fly, or at least appear as if you are flying inside Dandy's world in Roblox. So, the first thing I would recommend is that for this you actually use Poppy. It's doable with some other characters as well, however Poppy is actually the one I tried it with and was able to succeed. So the first thing you want to do over here, where you've got this garden view sign, so in the educational center and museum, you want to come to this little flower looking guy down here, and then you want to climb on top of him, just like me right now. As you can see, you have to climb up. Now, of course, you cannot really jump in this game, so to be able to do this, you will have to kind of slide over here from this right part over his right hand over here, and then on top of his head, essentially, okay? And then from here, what you have to do is kind of slide yourself inside of these boxes over here, and I will explain how this works. Now, inside and on top of these boxes, there's actually some invisible barriers that you actually can't see if you're just playing normally. As you can see, there's literally nothing there. However, if you are able to get onto these boxes, you'll actually be able to get onto those barriers as well, and you'll be able to essentially walk through the sky because you essentially will appear as you are flying, okay? So you will walk through the sky, so over here on those invisible barriers, and everyone will think you are flying, and that's the only way to actually fly. So of course, that's not gonna happen first try. You'll have to keep on trying, so just kind of try going in from here. And as you can see, I just fell down, so you have to kind of get up here again. So just kind of jump on this little hand of his and then try to make your way. I suggest always going from the front, so just like me right now, over this hand. There we go, almost made it. And then yes, it's gonna take a bit of time. However, after you try a couple of times, you'll get a hang of it and you'll be able to get on top of this little guy down here frequently, and then at some point you'll be able to get in those boxes as well. Now, yes, it's very easy to fall down and very easy to fail, but as I said, if you try hard enough, you will be able to eventually get it. So just before recording this video, as you can see, there we go, I just climbed on top over here. You will then have to essentially kind of make your way up here, and then just try to get in those boxes and then walk from there. So that's literally all there is to it. Good luck doing it. You'll have to try quite a bit, and if you fall down once you are on those invisible barriers, you will have to walk back up. But there's no problem because you know how to do it. You have to get up to this flower boy over here and then somehow get into those boxes by doing essentially the same thing over here, and then once you're able to do it, that's pretty much it, and you're flying inside Roblox, the Dandy's World game, and you'll be able to show everyone and your friends. You can even make screenshots, send them videos, and tell them you are flying, because not everybody can do this, and not everybody knows this trick. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.